Starting with the great name of Allah, who's the most beneficent and the most merciful. In this chapter, we will discuss environmental chemistry, related to the water. As in the previous class, we discussed what is environmental chemistry. Basically, environmental chemistry involves the study of the effects that chemicals have on air, water, soil, and how they impact on the environment and human health. We discussed earlier, and today we will discuss water chemistry, and you can say that the science focused on understanding the chemical processes that affect the composition of natural waters and their stability for the human users. For this, we have to understand that what is water. So let's move towards the introduction of water. Water is the most abundant compound on the earth. It does not have odor, color, and smell. ना ही इसकी कोई खुशबू है, ना ही इसका कोई color है. And the chemical formula, as we all know, that it's H2O, and we rely on water for direct and indirect purposes. Like indirect purpose is your drinking, bathing, and cooking, while examples of indirect purposes are the use of water in processing wood to make paper and in producing steel for the automobiles, and the bulk of other uses of the water is found on the earth. Okay, occurrence of the earth, occurrence of the water. As we all know that about 71% of the earth's surface is covered with the water, and the oceans hold about 96.5% of all earth's water. And water also exists in the air as water vapors in rivers and lakes, in ice caps, glaciers, in the ground as soil moisture in the aquifers, and even in you and on your dog. Okay, हमारे पास जो है वो आपका जो पानी है वो 1/3 अर्थ का हिस्सा जो है वो कवर करता है, और उसमें से जो है 70% जो है वो आपका जो है वो अर्थ सरफेस जो है वो कवर करता है फ्रेश ग्लेशियर्स वगैरह, और 30% जो है वो आपका रिमेनिंग है. 70% जो है वो आपकी सॉरी आपका क्या कवर करता है, आपका वाटर कवर करता है, और 30% जो है वो आपकी लैंड है. ओके, द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द वाटर इज ओशन वाटर, मींस 97% जो है वो आपका समंदर का जो पानी है, दैट इज सॉल्ट वाटर, लार्जली फाउंड इन द सीज, एंड only 3% of water is fresh water. Fresh water is accessible for the human needs, approximately it's less than 1% of the total quantity on the planet. The issue is that fresh water is not distributed equitably across the globe. आपका जो ओशन है वो 90%, 97% जो है वो ओशन वाटर है हमारे पास, जिसको आप समंदर का पानी कहते हैं, और 1%, 3% जो है ना वो आपका फ्रेश वाटर है. उसमें से जो है 1% जो है वो आपका प्लैनेट पे जो है वो इंसानी जरूरत के लिए जो है वो यूज किया जाता है. ओके, importance of water. Importance of water is highly important. That is basically important in our daily life. Water is very important. It is required for organ to work properly, and basically toxins are removed because of your water, and through your water you can you can find the dehydration processes, and therefore water prevents fatigue in different ways. Importance are shown of water. Drinking water, you can say that getting enough water every day is important for your health. Drinking water can prevent dehydration, condition that can cause unclear thinking, result in the mood change, cause your body to overheat, and lead to constipation and kidney stones. It is necessary for washing and sanitation. It is used for the cooking. It is used for the growing food. Thermal power plants use water to produce energy. आपका जो पंचक्कियां हैं वो पानी बनाती हैं, वो बिजली बनाती हैं. In medical procedures, water acts as an important component in dialysis. Water